much as y'all hate these. Me personally, I can't wait for Halloween. It's when Jammies have these. Y'all wrong for that too. But these taste wonderful to me. Long as I like it. Hey guys, so I got a package from nuts.com today. I got a package from nuts.com today, and this is gonna be like a tasting video. And it's really just an excuse for me to eat sweets, technically. So I'm going to be shooting 2 videos today. One is this, or maybe it'll be one depending how long this is, and then the other is I am scheduled for surgery in December, which kind of sucks because it's like right before my birthday, but we'll get into that after this. So for now, let's get into this box. So this is the box, and it's like covered in little nuts themed drawings and words. Oh wow. So this is like coconut flakes. Very natural. I mean, it's very much unsweetened. Like if you're a sugar person, it's probably not gonna do anything for you. There's no sugar. But I'm sorry, if sugar doesn't really matter and you're for the all natural, this will work because it's actually really delicious. Just that I know that a lot of us are accustomed to sugar, but we've been having sugar for so long, and so if it's not sweet, it wouldn't taste good to you. These aren't sweet by regular standards. So there's cranberries. So these are the cranberries, and they're supposed to be apple juice infused. These are delicious. Even if you don't pass, even if you are a sugary person, they aren't. Okay, so these aren't sweet. They get like a little tangy flavoring to them. But these are delicious. These are good. Who's next? I don't think I'm gonna do the chia seeds because I've never had chia seeds, so I don't know. But I'll do a little just to see what. To be fair, since I did everything else, the chia seeds don't want to open. So these are the chia seeds. So you can get an idea of how they look. Ooh, they're very fine. Ooh. They're very tiny. Look at that. There's no real taste. Candy corn. I don't nothing to say. As much as y'all hate these, me personally, I can't wait for Halloween. It's when Japanese have these. And y'all wrong for that too. But these taste wonderful to me. Long as I like it. If you like candy corn, you will like those. It tastes fine. So this is the gluten-free honey oat granola. These packages are very much sealed. Like, you ain't gotta worry about the stuff being fresh because ain't no air could get in or out until you open it. So here are the granola pieces. These are nice. Not overly sweetened or anything. Very much natural. This will go nice like on your yogurt or your paraffin or whatever. And to sprinkle on top or sprinkle throughout. Or to eat raw as a snack. These are nice. So next we have cinnamon roasted almonds. This bag smells so delicious. So these are the almonds and the cinnamon. When you open this, the cinnamon and almond smell mingling just slaps you in the face. It's delicious in here. This is candy. It's not, but it's delicious. These are delicious. If you like sweets, just get a bag of these. All natural with a little bit of cinnamon on top. Literally the ingredients: almonds, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla. That's it. This is delicious. It tastes so good. Like you don't need no candy after this. This will bring you right up. This, mix this with the coconut chips, because you know the coconut chips are a little bland because they're unsweetened and completely natural. Mix this with the coconut chips. Oh, I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be a snack. I'm here not to work tomorrow. And last but not least are the Marshmallow coconut Toasties. This smells really nice as well. It gives very much Rice Krispies treats from the smell. Ooh. So this is the marshmallow with like the toasted coconut all over it. And it's still very soft and sprinkled in coconuts. So probably don't squeeze it. So this is nice too. It's different. I can't describe this one. The coconut tastes good. The marshmallows are really soft and everything. It's just a very unexpected mix for a snack. It's sweet, and kids will probably love it. I like it, but I can't say I love it. The almond, the cinnamon almonds, I love it. I will eat those forever. These aren't bad either, but I can't say that this is something I would like purchase for me, taste wise. And you know Chico sticks? I think Chico sticks are like coconut pieces melted together pretty much. It gives off Chico stick with like not cinnamon. My mind is still on the almonds. It gives off Chico stick with like marshmallow in the middle. If that helps you picture the taste. So it doesn't taste bad, but it's very unique taste wise. But it's nice. So that's everything I got in this package. So this is the end of this video. I love you guys. Check out nuts.com. They have like a very huge variety of nuts. Hard nuts, soft nuts, dark nuts, light nuts. Don't mind me, but they really have a very great, very large selection of nuts, snacks, teas, coffees. It's more than just nuts. In fact, I'll probably include a screen play of their website at the end of this video. So, I love you guys. Bye-bye.